Hello everyone, I have a review today, new from Infinix company model, which is called Hot 30 at 128 GB in total. This phone is available in two variants, our 428 version and 128 volume internal memory mid-budget smartphone is here right away. What processor it has is Helio G88 from MediaTek 8 Nuclear with NFC green box. Here they also write to us what can expand the RAM for 8 GB 8 plus 8. I have just the version maximum speed. 128 color I have, so Sonic White _ production date 2nd month, 23 years made in China. Well, I open it so bright the box inside is the white phone itself, color design. It is so peculiar, nice play film, music. Even such a beautiful mother of pearl look how they decided to do this. Body shimmers, how beautiful it is, plastic glossy plastic, and here outgoing. Here are some bands of this. You can also remove the sticker information Infinix. So there are two cameras as I see quad flash. 4 camera LEDs protrude to the right is the power button here. This frame is made of plastic frame. It also such a whole flat here connector for charging Type-C speaker microphone connector for headphones at the top. There is nothing on screen film is already protective. And here on the left side is the SIM tray in general. All you need is cool design, looks nice phone like this. Here is the plastic case. Well, nothing like that looks fresh, traditionally included with the phone documentation. Silicone case transparent. Let's show how the phone will look. Simple cover up here like this with a silicone case, transparent. Looks like it doesn't matter anyway, you can see. Yes, this beauty. Well, of course, in the kit we still have a charger, healthy block Infinix. And maximum watts is fast charging. There is a paper clip to open the SIM tray and cable regular white USB cable type. C. Let's check out which SIM is here. I open the tray and here we have 2+1 install 2 nano SIM cards and another micro SD flash drive and another tray covered sealing rubber. Here it is red so that nothing gets inside once again. Well, excellent memory. You can expand also with a flash drive. Damn, how cool does he look when light falls on him. Do you know what a healthy screen is here? The screen is 6.78. That is, it's real phablet screen resolution 2460 by 1080, that is classic. Full HD plus is IPS matrix 600. No maximum brightness. And 90 Hz is refresh rate is not 120 but 90 screen really huge. Huge like this. Large cutout for the front camera chin also has 3 touch control buttons in setting screen. You can choose a dark theme as you can always schedule it to turn it on automatically. Some specific time. Adjust the brightness both manually and by automatically entrust it to. Phone, do it yourself so that I myself regulated where you lower turned off auto. Brightness is not necessary, so don't turn off the screen. That is it in general. The screen will be on all the time, will not block itself. Timeout screen here, I have 30 minutes installed. Cleanliness can be trusted to the phone to it automatically turned off. You can always put to be 60. You can put so that it is always 90. I will put it to it was always 90 because, well, 60 is already like, I don't really want to use 60 Hz vision protection mode is when you have the screen becomes more yellow. By the way, me really like to decide how to protect eyesight like it's becoming more natural because without this mode, well, the phone too has blue screen tints. I know that it is felt right here. Even in this mode is just more comfortable on the screen. Watch can adjust the color temperature. That's just what I would add a little warm color here. I think here a little bit here. It will be the most ideal. Something like this. You can change the size font, in principle. The screen is large, set the font to be larger, more comfortable. But there are only 3 regulations. Rovkey, medium, large, small, it was somewhere. Well, 55 adjustments to put, because, well, maybe I want something medium between medium and large. Ultra touch can still be adjusted. Touch, how fast will you read your well flipping there, that's all. Well, in principle, these are the standard ones. Settings can be in the status bar. Not show internet speed. Because shown here by default, I think it only clogs this one useful line, so I will personally remove it. You can remove the percentage of charge and icons. Notifications can also be hidden in general. Here is such an ordinary, the screen is pretty state employees, but good. What is it HD? They HD 90 Hz screen, really very big. Replace your tablet with this healthy screen by Shell. The XS version is installed here, that is, its own type shell, and it's all running on base 13 Android. So we go at the very beginning. This my phone XS version 1260 Android version already 13. It's good here we can see main characteristics. Expand memory. Now I have it extended by 5 GB can be 8 by CPU is Helio G88 is essentially slightly improved. Improved G85, he octa-core, 2 cores of which are powerful, and 6 energy efficient is done by 12 nanometers. Has a video core Moth G52 8128 by benchmarks. Let's see multi-touch test. How many touches it? Only 5 touch supports trying to add. Let's say 6, 7 is gone. Only 5 rollover reads module NFC is here, that is. You can use contactless payment. It's good that the NFC modules did the same memory speed. Here is EMC 51 memories, so there are about 200 here megabytes per second read. And right about the same result in Antutu. Let's take a look now. Here scores more than 200, but less than 252,266 points during the test. Me and heated up to 37 degrees and lost only 3% of the battery throttling test. It shows this. The picture graph is green, but there is throttling small, about 10%. Only then he returns to 100% performance, then falls slightly again. Well, in general, in the range from 100 to 90 can be up to 85, but below 80 performance does not drop. It is very good. Phone supports 3G, 4G, but underscore there is no support for 5G. This processor is 5G, does not support while PUBG is running. You can talk about the dimensions of its length. 168.7 mm width, 76 thickness, 8 and 4 mm. That is normal thickness average and not Tolstoy. He is 2 and not thin, and weight 196 grams. 196 grams, by the way. A little for the phone with such a huge screen, high graphics settings. So now make the screen a little brighter. Maximum brightness was so real, maximum volume brightness. Yes, and loud now also did the maximum. So energetic. So buddy, come on, quickly, quick. Everything quick. Don't scare me. Hey, don't scare me. You can play G88, of course, not a game processor, but you can play. Anyway, as long as everything goes, so can take a gun, or what is it? What is this such in general? Wow, look, she shoots 9 bullets immediately. Shoots is not powerful. I won't change it at all, charge thing. So, where is someone? So I have a backpack of the first level. Bad few fit about the second level. Here are my bones of the first level. No one here. Like a fish place, there is no one. Someone is driving. Someone came by car shooting. Yes, my friend and I have already gone on some Bigfoot in short. He's driving, I'm a passenger crash now. 0.08 megapixel front camera is here on 8 megapixels. Here is such a set of cameras takes off the phone. 1440p rear camera, 2K 30 FPS, 50 megapixels of them. You need to activate it by clicking here button everything. Then only there will be a phone work. 50 megapixels, and need to keep phone still to get it. Photo is not blurry. I am taking pictures like this right now. One photo. 50 here, more distant object here. I have a cat lying sleeping. I took a liking to this place. So well here look, foam professional winter already almost unreadable. Although the word foam is still possible, understand that it is foam before, or Lena some. Here and 6565 is also visible. Titan 2 in capital letters, written so you can see everything. The rear camera is a lot better. The maximum zoom here is 10x. No wide-angle camera settings can be changed. Aspect ratio of the image apply immediately in real time. Some filter is not here so many, but still different filters. There is variety also, there is mode beauty. You can even your figure a little tighten. Watch. Face tightening. Do portrait mode blurs the background. Everything is clear. Super night mode. Now I want to try it, but they are photos in super night mode. Well, yes, in principle, it certainly improves the photo in comparison with a car, and poor lighting makes it lighter. Objects in general to distinguish. You can, yes. And here is another photo. It's a little darker here. Here's the bottom one. Part of the frame is already too dark turned out here already. Of course it all. Just black. Nothing can be understood, but here is excellent. Here is where home, where the road passes, where a little more. The light there is normal. Where what kind of lights? White objects, yes. Then a little better, that is, well, camera here, the average budget and typical for such a phone, still guys good that here made a stereo sound speaker at the bottom. Many such cutouts, they are healthy long. And the speaker at the top is this conversational speaker. From here, too, the sound is played. Sounds a bit quiet even, sometimes phones with one speaker sound louder here, stereo, but the sound is quiet. A little bit of unlocking here, everything is like, usually the scanner is installed in the button power supply. The phone is unlocked only from light. Touch is not necessary, even pressing this button. Touched and everything, and the phone is unlocked. Well, after checking your scanner, your fingerprint with what you asked for settings, and face unlock, also press the power button. Look at the phone recognizes me and starts the system battery here. Non-removable back cover. Non-removable battery. Exactly 5,000 fast-charging 33 watts can only be charged by wireless charging. The phone does not support the first ones. As it were, 30 minutes charging. It is capable of 30 minutes charge your phone from 0 to 55%, then have half an hour and you have 55% more. Half of the batteries are already getting a charge by autonomy. It's such a classic typical Android phone. 23 years. He will keep an average of 1.5 days. That is a good battery here, 5,000. Well, as it were, normal autonomy. And what can I say past 30? He has really a very healthy screen. 90 Hz is IPS matrix. Who likes IPS screens? Maybe considering these healthy types like phablets on IPS with it is not very expensive. This phone less than $200. Worth well, what is here? There is support for 2 SIM cards, plus flash drives. Has a standard headphone jack, which are located at the bottom on the bottom end in general. A lot of everything connector for charging already type. See interesting appearance, 3 colors to choose from. 3 colors to choose from. 2 memory options are also a choice, by the way. Now I wanted to activate the flash. See, is it real? So frontal. Oh, you're still here. Frontal flash is here. They are confused. So 360 color can even be 2. Flash immediately turn on. Imagine, so that you have light in front and behind, and really back flash is very powerful here. Glow as many as 4. LED. That is, as a flashlight it can be used well or just as a flash. Take a picture at night to highlight something yourself. The subject of the photograph will also cool. No, I wonder what's here. You can turn on 2 flashes at once and frontal rear. Such a kind of telephone. Infinix got a link. I'll leave it in the description. Thank you all for viewing, everyone. Good luck, everyone. Bye.